After the incessant rainfall in the national capital, the Delhi NCR saw heavy waterlogging in parts of Delhi. There was a massive waterlogging that Delhi experienced. There was a rainfall that happened yesterday, followed by thunderstorms, and that left heavy waterlogging in parts like Delhi, Kant, or this very place. Now, here also, if we show you the visuals, also you get an understanding of the fact that the waterlogging situation remains very critical and very real itself. You can see also a bus being stuck, and as a result of that itself, all these problems are being faced because the traffic movement have been clearly affected because of the incessant rainfall itself. We've also joined by a person itself. Sir, आप पहले अपना नाम बताइए.
My good name is Saurav Kadyan, and I am also suffering from this rainfall issues because BJP government has said us about this that they will be giving us the conclusion for all the vacations and all the conclusions for the rainwater and everything. But they have not given anything. My car is suffering from the waterfall, rainfall, everything.
So you are a four-wheeler. What kind of problem? Because you get to see cars being stuck because of the water-like situation here.
Exactly. That's what I want to say. My car also got stuck, and even more people from Delhi are facing the same problem.
So clearly, there are many people like him also. I'm sure that they would be facing a lot of problem in terms, and not just four-wheelers, two-wheelers also would be facing a lot of problem. There have been many flights also that have been delayed itself. The data that we have, it says that if we talk about the arrivals, there have been 30 such flights that have been delayed where the average time goes around 9 minutes. And also the flight disruption index also reaches up to 0.8. Now, if we talk about the departure status where the delayed flight rises up to 57, and this is the real-time data, where the average delay rises up to 28 minutes and 45 minutes as well, ranging from 45 to 28 minutes. There have been one cancelled flights as well, and the disruption also increases up to 3.8%. So clearly, the Delhi International Airport has also issued an advisory also of the fact that there will be a lot of cancellations and delays also because of the fact that because of the delays itself. And here as well, the problems you can see being real itself. The two-wheelers, the four-wheelers would be facing major problems because of the waterlogged situation that is causing a lot of problems to the Delhiites as well. This is me, Brian Anthony Thomas, signing out, camera person Avdesh for NewsX Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.